Hey, this is Justin from Goldpenguin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up Google Sitekit as well as analytics and connect Google AdSense to your website that is built with Breakdance. It's pretty much the same no matter what builder you're using, but if you are using Breakdance and want to see this tutorial, then this is for you. So Google Sitekit is going to allow you to track what users are coming to your website, where they're coming from, and monitor a bunch of other statistics that are extremely important if you're trying to convert your leads that are coming onto your website into a paying customer or a phone call or any kind of way of getting a conversion. So it's really easy to install. What you're going to do is go to go to plugins, go to add new, search for Sitekit, and you will install the plugin. Once you're here, you'll be led to this screen where you'll be able to sign in with Google and then allow access. Set up Search Console, which tells you which keywords people are looking up to get to your site. And just like that, Sitekit is set up. And just like that, now on your website, you are going to be able to see how many users came to your website on each day. You could do it by channel, which is like direct, SEO, social media. You could do it by location, which will tell you anywhere in the world. And then you could do by device if you're trying to learn what devices your users are using. Once this is set up, you also have access to a ton of more analytics. If you click on this analytics page, it will open in Google Analytics and will give you a lot more details than it will on this overview screen. If you scroll down, you'll see your search traffic history for the last 28 days, which is really useful. On this website, we don't have anything showing up yet, but if you do have a website that has blogs and that is getting pages that are indexed, it'll say, if you're, let's say, a baker, it'll say, best apple recipe if you do have a blog on apples, and it'll tell you so you can really get a good feel on how many people are clicking on it and how many people are seeing it on Google. Again, you can also go into Search Console and see everything more in depth. I highly recommend both of these tools. This is a great overview, especially if you're new to web development. But Google Analytics will tell you, where your users are coming from, and then Search Console will tell you what they're using to get there. So, yeah, hope this helps, and thanks for watching.